Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Thank you so much for being here. I have lots of new things coming up on my channel in this brand new year. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I sure would love if you would do that. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss those videos. I have lots of great plans coming up in the future, and I would love to share those with you. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment for me down below. Today's piece is on a floor tile. I will be doing an open cup with berry colors. So this first color, of course, is Mont Marte's Titanium White. This is JDiction's Silver Gray. These are really beautiful table scrapings that are black with a gold shimmer. And my DecoArt Berry, really beautiful color. My Artmind's Silver. And my ShuttleArt Burgundy Flash that looks like chocolate milk to me. So I will fast forward this video and throw on some tunes. I hope you enjoy this video.